Cristiano Ronaldo is one of the most famous football players in the world. He was born on February 5, 1985, on the island of Madeira, Portugal. As a boy, he loved football more than anything. He often played in the streets with friends for many hours. His family was not rich, but they supported his dream. When Ronaldo was 12 years old, he moved to Lisbon to join Sporting CP's football academy. It was not easy. He missed his family and home. But he worked very hard. He trained every day and learned to play faster and better. At 16, he played for Sporting's first team. Soon, big clubs noticed him. In 2003, he joined Manchester United in England. There, he became a star. He won many trophies, including the Champions League in 2008. That year, he also won his first Ballon d'Or, the award for the best player in the world. In 2009, Ronaldo moved to Real Madrid in Spain for a world record fee. Many people said the price was too high, but he proved them wrong. In Madrid, he scored goals in almost every game. He became the club's top scorer of all time with 450 goals in only 438 matches. He won 2 La Liga titles and 4 Champions League trophies with the team. His rivalry with Lionel Messi made football even more exciting. Fans around the world watched every match between Real Madrid and Barcelona. Ronaldo also won the Ballon d'Or 4 more times while in Spain. He was famous not only for his goals but also for his hard work, discipline, and strong body. He always wanted to improve and never gave up, even after defeats. In 2018, Ronaldo surprised the world by leaving Real Madrid. He joined Juventus in Italy. Many thought his best years were over, but he kept scoring. He won 2 Serie A titles with Juventus and became the fastest player in the club's history to reach 100 goals. He showed that age did not stop him. His fitness and focus inspired many younger players. At the same time, he continued playing for Portugal's national team. In 2016, he helped Portugal win the European Championship, the country's first major trophy. Even though he was injured in the final match, he motivated his teammates from the sidelines. In 2019, he also won the UEFA Nations League with Portugal. These victories made him a national hero. In 2021, Ronaldo returned to Manchester United. Fans welcomed him with open arms. He scored twice in his first game back, proving he was still one of the best. However, the team had problems, and results were not always good. Ronaldo still finished the season as the club's top scorer. In 2022, things became difficult. He played less often and had disagreements with the coach. Later that year, he left Manchester United. Soon, he joined Al Nassr in Saudi Arabia. Many people were surprised, but Ronaldo said he wanted a new challenge and to help grow football in the region. In Saudi Arabia, he continued to score and attract attention from fans around the world. Ronaldo's career is more than just numbers and trophies. He is known for his discipline, training, and healthy lifestyle. He does not drink alcohol, and he follows a strict diet. He trains every day and sleeps well to keep his body strong. He also works with charities and helps children. He is a father and often shares moments with his family. Even after many years in football, he still has the same hunger to win. His story shows that talent is important, but hard work, focus, and belief are the keys to success. For many, Cristiano Ronaldo is not only a football star but also an example of dedication and passion. Ronaldo's childhood shaped his personality. Growing up in Madeira, he learned to be strong and independent. His father worked at a football club, and his mother was a cook. The family did not have much money, but they had love. Ronaldo often said that his mother's support was the most important thing in his life. At school, he sometimes had problems because he focused more on football than on studies. At 14, he decided to dedicate his life to the sport. This choice meant leaving his home and living far from his family. It was hard, but it made him mature quickly. His early sacrifices became the foundation of his success. Over his career, Ronaldo set many records. He is the all-time top scorer in the Champions League. He also holds the record for most goals scored in international matches. For Portugal, he has played more than 200 games, something no one else has done. His goals often come at important moments, in finals, in big matches, and against strong opponents. He is famous for his powerful shots, fast runs, and amazing jumps for headers. Coaches, players, and fans often say that his mentality is his greatest weapon. He never accepts defeat and always tries to come back stronger. Ronaldo's rivalry with Lionel Messi is one of the most famous in sports history. For over 15 years, they pushed each other to new heights. While Messi was known for his natural skill and vision, Ronaldo was admired for his work ethic and physical power. Fans debated for years who was better. Ronaldo always respected Messi, and Messi respected him. Their competition made football more exciting, and millions of people around the world watched them play. Even today, both players continue to inspire new generations. Outside of football, Ronaldo built a strong brand. He has his own clothing line, perfumes, gyms, and hotels. He is one of the most followed people on social media. His posts reach millions of fans, and many companies want him as their ambassador. Ronaldo uses his fame to promote good causes. He has donated money to hospitals, paid for children's surgeries, and supported disaster relief efforts. For him, success also means giving back to society. Today, Cristiano Ronaldo is more than a football player. He is a symbol of ambition, discipline, and self-belief. From a small island boy to one of the greatest athletes in history, his journey is an example that dreams can come true with hard work. Even in his late 30s, he continues to play at a high level. He says he still loves the game and wants to play for as long as he can. For many fans, Ronaldo's career is not just a story about goals and trophies. It is a lesson about never giving up, no matter the obstacles.